Alright guys, I'm out here with the FIMI Mini. It updates 1021D, I think it is. So far this thing has been running pretty good without too much issues. Okay, that looks good. Let's start some video up. I want to go see if the flight restriction comes in. I only got 11 satellites, but who cares? Let's fly it around for a couple minutes. Yeah, this thing flies really well, guys. It really flies nice. Okay, so let's bring it over this way. I want to go down there and get to that. I don't remember what it was exactly. Let me go up to about 180. That's usually safe in this area. Let me look at that map real quick. Okay, so let me see if I get that restriction that I got. Well, it still hasn't got all the satellites in yet, but I guess this ain't one of these strong satellite days. Okay, well, I'm not getting that restriction like I did with the Autel. So, yeah. So that's not giving me any issue. Yeah, so okay, so another satellite just showed up. And then it disappeared. Okay, so the satellites are in and out today, guys. We just have to deal with it. Coming over the river here a little bit. Yeah, it's flying good, man. It's right over top of me now. Yeah. Okay, FIMI Mini, man. Yeehaw. Flying good. There she be, right above me. As you can see, when I point that down, pretty damn close to above me, I put it that way. Yeah, this thing flies good. And not getting a lot of satellites today. As you see, it's still jumping around on 12. It's not really getting the full accompaniment of satellites, and that's causing it to dance around a little bit, but I mean, it's, you know, it's nothing that we can't handle. I did notice when I was flying out there, I don't know if you guys could see it in the video, when I was going out to that 1,800 feet, whatever it was, when I was going out there, it wasn't staying straight. And that's because the satellites weren't all in. It would kind of wander this way and back this way and that way. And the wind is nothing. It's a nothing burger. So that wasn't the wind blowing it around. That was just the wind's only a couple miles an hour. That was the GPS wasn't all locked in good. So, all right. Yeah, this thing is a great little flyer, man. This thing really is. It's a nice little flyer. This is the Pro battery, by the way, that's in there right now. I mean, this thing zips around really nice. But I know it flies nice. Really handles nice. All right, guys, there you go. FIMI Mini. We love it. We love it more than the Xeno Mini Pro, that's for sure. We do indeed. Okay, let me get over here and see if I can get this thing landed. Oh, there went my fingernail. No manicure for me. No manicure today for me. I'm done with that. All right, guys, there you go. FIMI Mini. Yay. Flying good. I'm real happy with it.
That's all, folks.